hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this look, and I'm actually going to play with the new Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. This is actually new in India, at least, like on Nykaa. So I played with this and created, you know, this look that you can see right here. So yes, if you want to know how I got this look and also my thoughts on this palette, then let's get started with the video. I'm going to play with this new palette that I got. This is the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. As soon as I saw the colors and I, you know, like swatched them on my hands, I was like, I have to try it with you guys. So I'm actually very excited because I love eye makeup, you guys know that. I actually also got, you know, her mini liquid lipsticks, like the, you know, collection or the set, whatever you call it. So I'm going to wear one of these colors, and before, you know, you guys tell me to swatch the entire thing or whatever, I'll be doing a separate video. Now the thing is that I have no clue what I want to do. Wow, that rhymed. So I have no clue what I will be doing, you know, with today's look. But I do want to use this, you know, deep pink color over here, and the yellow is calling out my name. So yeah, let us zoom in. And also, you know, looking at these colors, I just want to use these colors for today's look. I don't want to use any other palette. So I'm going to go with the yellow actually, because I really want to, you know, play with the yellow and the pink. So let's do this. Oh, and by the way, I'm using, you know, this fluffy sort of a brush from Pack Eye Brush collection. So I'm just using this yellow as a transition shade, and oh my god, this is like by far, you know, one of the best yellows in my kit. And the mattes are actually very pigmented, I must say. And the color is actually spreading all across the, you know, eye area without any problem. Don't mind these breakouts, okay? I just got my brows done, like threaded, so I'm having these small sort of, you know, bumps, sensitive skin issues. These are the two pinks in the palette. Definitely going to use this pink. I'm actually going to take this random brush. I'm going to use this, you know, sort of a petal pink color. Can you see I scratched the palette like this shade with my nails, and I'm going to use it over here actually, what you call the crease. I mean, I love this color. For a long time, especially on my channel, like I'm feeling like I'm in my element. I love doing bold eye makeup. Love it. I love the fact that these shadows are actually blending with each other and they're like not turning patchy. Now comes the moment I have been waiting for since I got this. I just want to play with the deep pink. Again, using, you know, a brush from the Pack Eye Brush collection. I think you guys should get this collection, not sponsored. You know, the brush collection. Wow. I swear I'm not over exaggerating. Just look at that. You know, I just touched the brush, like touched the shade. Oh, I can't speak. Wow. I just touched it like this, and this is the pigmentation. I am impressed. Probably confused what I just did. So I took this purpley sort of a shimmer color on this sort of a shadow brush, and I just, you know, like just, you know, with a light hand I have to use it on the, you know, slightly on the outer corners and a bit on the lids. And then with the orange, actually, I started blending the pink out. And I'm going to do one of my favorite things in the world, that is blend all of these out with a clean NYX blending brush. the orange once again, this shade, and then with the same brush, like a very fluffy brush, you know, I'm slightly blending out the edges of the pink. And now I'm actually going to show you how I'm using the purple shade. So I'm taking a bit of the purple shade, placing it slightly on the outer corners, like not even completely, just slightly. You see, I'm just touching the outer corners, as well as, you know, a little bit near the crease area. Just touching, okay, I'm not placing it completely, and then just working the magic of the purple like so. It'll add, you know, like a very nice sheen, not the complete color but a sheen, so that the pink is also visible. See how I'm doing that? Next blending brush, like the clean one, and just, you know, mixing all the colors, blending all the colors. Thing that can do justice to this look is a wing liner, so I'm going on with my Gigi Hadid eyeliner. Coal. I really love, you know, how, like, you know, magical sort of a look this, you know, shimmer is giving to this neon pink eyeshadow. You see? Love it. Blue maybe, you know, because I don't want to go with a pink, complete pink. So I think maybe a blue. I'm using the pack 205 brush. I'm going to take the blue. It's a shimmery shade, by the way. So I'm actually playing with all the makeup rules today. Oh my god, look at the creaminess. Love it. You know what I'm going to do? Take a bit of the blue and sort of outline the wing liner. I don't. Same brush that I used for the neon pink color, and I'm not going to dip anything, like I'm not going to use any more color, and just go slightly under the blue on the outer area. I think we are done, but not before we pop in a little bit of this yellow. Change my brush. This is the Real Techniques accent brush. Sometimes people in person, or I even see a few people on the internet be like, who wears such colors on the eyes? I do. I love colors. I mean, it's amazing, you know, how certain colors can just change your mood. I was feeling so dull because of the weather. It's so like grey outside, if you know what I mean. I love how this turned out. Definitely this wasn't like something that I had in my mind. I didn't have anything in my mind. But I like it how it, you know, turned out. I used almost all the shades. Definitely will be using this, you know, in my future tutorials. And I'll obviously put on falsies. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. Lashes, I'm actually using these lashes. These by Kingdom of Lashes, one of my favorite eyelash brand. And this is in the style Daisy. Eyelash glue that I use is by Ardell. This is like, I think, the dark glue or something. It's black in color. highlighter, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, and I'm using a big fan brush. Highlighting my brow bone with the highlighter, and I'm using this brush from Star Looks. This is the slanted liner brush by them. If you're wondering, then yep, I'm wearing the Huda Beauty foundation today. For setting spray, actually I'm not going to use a setting spray. I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus, which certainly is not a setting spray. I'm going to just spray it all over my face. For the Fix Plus, the yellow is looking more bright. I don't know. So time for some lip product. I have quite a lot of options today. So I have Spice Girl, I have Venus, I have Muse, I have Wifey, and I have Bombshell. I actually tried out Bombshell yesterday. We'll try out a new color. I think I'll go with Muse maybe, because Muse is, you know, sort of a pinky color, like a muted pinky color. And my eyes are quite pink, so let's just stick to the theme today. I actually don't have the Huda Beauty lip contours, so I'm going to use my good old Wet n Wild lip liner, I think in Chestnut. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done with the look, and as I said, I'll be applying the lip color Muse on top of the lip liner. I couldn't show you the, you know, lipstick applying part because my, you know, memory card got full and I'm running short of memory cards right now. This is the final look, you guys. I like this Electric Obsessions palette. I love it. You know, my first impression is amazing. I can't wait to play with this more. So let me know if you want an updated review of the Huda Beauty foundation, because I do have a lot of more things to share which I have noticed over the period of time. So yeah, let me know if you want an updated review. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till take care. I love you all. Bye bye.